Hi, Jack. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. So, tell me, how was your day yesterday?
My day was nice. I did many things. How about you?
My day was busy but fun. Let's talk about it.
Sure. What did you do in the morning?
I woke up at 6:30 a.m.
Early. Did you feel sleepy?
A little. I wanted to sleep more, but I got up and brushed my teeth.
Good. What did you do next?
I washed my face and took a shower.
Cold water or hot water?
Are you just starting to learn English? Don't worry. Practice English Lab will help you practice speaking, listening, and communicating naturally every day. Let's learn step by step. It's easy and fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts so we can all improve together every day. Hot water. It felt so good.
Nice. Did you have breakfast after that?
Yes, I did. I made toast and eggs.
Yummy. What did you drink?
I drank a cup of coffee. What about you, Jack?
I woke up at 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth and took a quick shower.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I didn't. I was late for work.
Oh no! Did you feel hungry later?
Yes, I did. I ate a sandwich at my office.
That's good. So, what time did you start work?
I started at 8:30 a.m.
What did you do first?
I checked my emails and replied to some messages.
Were they important?
Some of them, yes. One was from my boss.
Did he ask you to do something?
Yes. He asked me to finish a report before noon.
Did you finish it on time?
Yes, I did. I worked hard and finished it at 11:45 a.m.
Great job! I didn't go to work yesterday.
Really? Why?
It was Sunday.
Oh, right. I forgot.
I cleaned my room in the morning.
Did you like cleaning?
Not really, but it felt good after that.
What did you clean first?
I cleaned my desk, then I swept the floor.
Did you wash your clothes?
Yes, I did. I also watered my plants.
That sounds nice.
Yes, my morning was productive.
After finishing your chores, what did you do?
I watched TV for a while. I watched a cooking show.
Oh, do you like cooking?
Yes, I love it. I learned a new recipe yesterday.
What recipe?
A simple pasta with tomato sauce.
Sounds delicious. Did you cook it later?
Yes, I did. I'll tell you in the next part.
So, Emma, you said you cooked pasta yesterday. How was it?
It was really good. I started cooking at 12:30 p.m.
Did you cook alone?
No, my sister helped me.
That's nice. What did she do?
She cut the vegetables and I boiled the pasta.
What ingredients did you use?
I used tomatoes, onions, garlic, and cheese.
Yum! Did your family like it?
Yes, everyone liked it. My mom said it was delicious.
That's great. You are a good cook.
Thank you. What did you eat for lunch?
I ate rice and chicken. My mom cooked it.
Lucky you. Did you take a rest after lunch?
Yes, I did. I took a short nap for 30 minutes.
That's nice. I watched a movie after lunch.
Which movie did you watch?
I watched Inside Out. It's about emotions.
Oh, I know that movie. It's very cute.
Yes, I cried a little.
Really?
Yes, it was touching.
What did you do after the movie?
I read a book for 1 hour.
What book?
The Little Prince. Have you read it?
Yes, I love that story.
After that, I went outside.
Where did you go?
I went to the park near my house.
Did you go alone?
No, I went with my sister.
What did you do there?
We walked, talked, and took some photos.
Was the weather nice?
Yes, it was sunny and warm.
Did you meet anyone there?
Yes, we met our friend, Lucy.
That's cool. Did you all stay long?
We stayed for about 2 hours.
What time did you go home?
Around 6 p.m.
What did you do in the evening?
I helped my mom cook dinner.
What did you cook?
We made fried rice with vegetables.
Yum. Did you eat together?
Yes, my whole family ate together.
That's nice. What did you do after dinner?
I washed the dishes. Then I watched YouTube.
What did you watch?
I watched an English learning video.
Great. Did you learn something new?
Yes, I learned how to use the past tense better.
Oh, really?
Oh, really? Tell me one example.
For example, I watched a movie yesterday, not I watch a movie yesterday.
Good job! You're learning fast. Thanks. What about your evening, Jack?
I finished work at 5:30 p.m. Then I went home.
Did you cook dinner?
No, my mom did. I just helped set the table.
What did you eat?
We ate noodles and soup.
Sounds good.
Yes, it was tasty. After dinner, I played games for a bit.
Did you play on your phone?
No, on my computer.
What game?
A football game.
Did you win?
Of course, I scored 3 goals.
Wow, nice job.
Thanks. After that, I took a shower and read a book.
What time did you go to bed?
Around 10:30 p.m., I felt very tired.
I went to bed at 11 p.m. too.
So, yesterday was a full day for both of us.
Yes, it was. We did many things.
Let's review. What did you do yesterday morning?
I woke up, cleaned my room, cooked pasta, watched TV, and went to the park.
And I went to work, finished my report, and ate lunch at the office.
In the evening, I had dinner with my family and studied English.
And I played games and read a book.
Great! We both used the past tense to talk about our day.
Yes, I woke up I ate, I went, I watched.
That's right. Simple past is easy and fun.
Let's keep practicing every day.
Sure. The more we talk, the better we get.
Exactly. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for the chat, Jack.
Thank you, Emma. See you tomorrow.
See you.
Hey, Emma, can I ask you something?
Sure. What is it?
What did you do last weekend?
Oh, last weekend was fun. On Saturday, I visited my grandparents.
That's nice. Did you go alone?
No, my parents went with me. We drove there in the morning.
How far was it?
It took about 2 hours by car.
Wow. Did you stay long?
Yes, we stayed until the evening.
What did you do there?
I helped my grandma cook lunch and played with my little cousins.
That sounds great. What did you cook?
We made chicken soup and rice. Everyone enjoyed it.
I can imagine. Did you take pictures?
Yes, I took many photos. My grandpa smiled a lot.
What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I stayed home. I cleaned my room again and did my laundry.
You cleaned again. You're very neat.
Yes, I also read an English book.
Good idea. Reading helps a lot.
What about you, Jack?
On Saturday, I met my friends at a cafe.
Oh, what did you talk about?
We talked about movies and our jobs.
Sounds fun. Did you watch a movie after that?
Yes, we watched one at the cinema.
Which movie?
The Super Mario Bros. Movie. It was so funny.
I wanted to watch that too.
On Sunday, I stayed home like you. I cleaned my desk and practiced English.
Good job! We both used our weekend well.
Yes, talking in past tense really helps me remember.
Me too. When we speak, we learn faster.
Let's talk again tomorrow about plans for next week.
Great idea. See you, Jack.
See you, Emma.
What did you learn from today's conversation? Share one thing you've learned and we'll practice in your daily life below this video. If you like this video, please leave your comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English lessons.